the time interval between two events in a moving frame becomes longer for an observer observed from a stationary frame of reference. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. Let us derive the expression for time dilation. Let us imagine a gun placed at the position x prime, y prime, z prime in frame S prime, moving with velocity v relative to stationary frame S. Suppose the gun fires two shots at time t1 prime and t2 prime, therefore time interval for the observer S prime is t naught equal to t2 prime minus t1 prime. Let this is equation number 1. Now let time interval between two shots for the observer at a stationary frame S is given by t equal to t2 minus t1. Let this is equation number 2. Therefore, according to inverse Lorentz transformation equation, we have t1 equal to t1 prime plus v divided by c square into x prime divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square, and t2 equal to t2 prime plus v by c square into x prime divided by 1 under root 1 minus v square by c square. Therefore, t2 minus t1, we will get t2 prime minus t1 prime divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square, imply t2 minus t1 को लिख सकते हैं t, and t2 prime minus t1 prime को लिख सकते हैं t नॉट divided by 1 minus v square by c square, imply t naught equal to t into under root 1 minus v square by c square. And this is the expression for time dilation.